Oh, that's so sweet.
This is iconic.
I know, right?
I'm so honored to be here. When Joey and I were asked to be here, we jumped at it because this man is a real musician. And it's rare, and we need him, yeah? So, it's true. And he's a great guy. And I love his jacket.
Yeah.
So we're going to sing a song, huh? Okay, here we go. You and me.
Grabe, isipin mo, when I was still in the Philippines, I would sing these songs on my stream, and now I'm here performing him on stage.
Yeah!
So, ladies and gentlemen, give it up again for the one and only David Pomeranz.
Bring me to the memory lane. Oh my gosh! Hi, Doc. That I was born for you. Woo! Oh my gosh, starstruck. The choice was yours. I died. That I was born.
Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. At gaya ng ipinangako ko doon sa aking naunang vlog is magbibigay po tayo ng video dito sa concert ni Sofronio na naganap sa Winnipeg, Canada. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At ipinalabas na nga po ito ay kuha lamang ng ating netizen dito sa kanyang Facebook account, itong concert ni Sofronio nga dito sa Winnipeg, Canada sa Petros Hall, na kung saan ay nakasama niya itong si Joey Albert at si David Pomeranz. At pinuri nga ni David itong si Sofronio na ang sabi niya isa daw nga musician itong ating kababayan na nanalo sa The Voice USA. So marami siyang inawit mga kapolitika at isa sa mga kanyang kinanta ay ang signature song ni David Pomeranz na Born For You. So kinanta niya rin yung Ako'y Sa'yo at Ika'y Akin at napakarami pang iba. So hindi lamang po natin ma-play yung kabuang audio or yung live performance ni Sofronio dito sa Winnipeg, Canada, sa kadahilanang yung ibang part po is meron pong copyright. So kinuha lamang po natin yung mga portion or mga segment na walang copyright para ma-post dito sa ating YouTube channel. But pwede rin po ninyong i-click yung link dito sa comment section kung gusto nyong panoorin yung part ng concert ni Sofronio na medyo mahaba doon sa kanyang live event sa Winnipeg sa Canada. So ang maging reaction ko lang din po dito sa kanyang concert is nasa simpleng venue lang po yung concert ni Sofronio dito sa Winnipeg, Canada. But all throughout is maganda naman kasi ang ang highlight talaga dito is ito nga live performance ni Sofronio. But we are still hoping na sa mga susunod na mga concerts ni Sofronio is nasa pangmalakihang stage na gaganapin ang mga susunod na live performance ni Sofronio. So dito ay marami po siyang inawit mga kapolitika, and then sana ang maging ano ko dito, maging recommendation or suggestion ko sa mga susunod ay sana kumuha sila ng mga official na photographer or yung videographer na maganda yung kuha. At ito lamang po ay ating recommendation or ating suggestion dito sa mga susunod na live event ni Sofronio Vasquez. So ano po ang inyong maging reaction or ano po ang inyong maging comment dito sa sa live performance or concert ni Sofronio Vasquez, dahil alam po natin na meron pong mga nanonood dito sa ating YouTube channel na mismo is andon sa venue mismo ng kanyang concert.
Oh my gosh, goosebumps.
Nothing seems so wrong if they only realize that was so great. Now, there's another one that we are going to invite on stage.
Okay, this is
If we have David Pomeranz, we also have the one, the beautiful, Miss Joey Albert.
So na kung role ay siya dito.
Hi.
Next slide, makuha ka sa lila. God, the heels. Yeah, I know. Right? Look at the, tabunan. Yeah. Tabunan ng teleprompter. Oh my gosh, my favorite song. Ay, tell me. Oh, okay. Yeah, tell me. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Change your mind. I know, right? Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind?
Ladies and gentlemen, with pride and honor, Sir David Pomeranz and Miss Joey Albert.
Before we let you go, we'd like to give our wishes to you. For me, I wish you many wonderful shows, many wonderful audiences, many beautiful songs, and a lifelong wonderful career.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I would never imagine my life be in this beautiful stage with beautiful crowd, with these beautiful people. Thank you so much, Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. David Pomeranz and Miss Joey Albert.
Magla-live po ako ulit ha. I-end ko muna yung live. I-end ko muna yung live. Magla-live lang ako ulit. Thank you so much sa mga nanonood. Love you guys.
Now I think this time we gotta pull some energy. Sino dito yung nagmamahal? Yeah. Sino dito yung nagmamahal? Yeah.
Walang umaamin.
Now I have this song in mind. It's an OPM song, and I think that you would love this song. So if you really feel that love knows no gender, no form, love knows no boundaries, and it's universal. Tama? Kunwari na lang naintindihan yung sinabi ko. Kasi nabasa ko lang din.
You're funny.
I hope you love this song.
Ate, okay lang? Naguba ang balay. Woo!
Grabe.
We love you, Soprano!
When we
I love
sing
you.
and when we talk about love, sarap. It's so tasty, you know?
Like this.
So, I am so grateful. Uulitin ko lang to. I'm gonna repeat myself.
It's supposed to be after the song.
I am so blessed to be here in front of you.
The three
You spent your Friday with me. And
after the song.
not all of you really knows me like that well. So you probably saw me on that show called Wait Lang. You probably saw me in the show called The Voice.
Yeah!
And apparently, my coach is from this country.
Yeah!
Before I flew, I told him, like, hey buddy, wow,
But,
I'll fly and have tour in Canada. And I was like, oh, where in Canada? I'm not gonna tell you, because what if you show up and people are gonna be crazy about you and there's no soprano?
ah!
This is gonna be bootleg. No, and he just told me, enjoy the show. And I'm just overwhelmed with his love and support. So, kung nakikita niyo sa TV, connected kami, medyo close kami. Yeah, totoo. Napakabait. I think I really felt the Canadian spirit in you guys. Let's go!
Woo!
So I think this is the right time to sing one of the songs that I did in The Voice, which is not a million dreams. Masyado pamahal ka. Baka mag-uwi na tayo. This is called If I Can Dream.
Woo! We love you, Soprano!
You know one thing about the producers of this show? Sobrang magpakain. At ako naman, I cannot resist to. It was so hard. Woo, that was so fun. Maraming salamat po. That song made me enter the finale. And so, I'm here.
Woo!
Gusto ko na i-acknowledge kayong lahat. Maraming salamat. I will not stop thanking everyone for spending your night. Maraming pwedeng mag-show, di ba? So nung sinabing Sofronio, dito kayo, ang sarap kaya sa pakiramdam. I worked hard for almost 10 years of just joining competitions. And just a trivia, kung meron kayong I1TFC or Pamilya Honoring Night, maalaala mo kaya?
Yes!
My story to be the pilot episode for the comeback. So, I watched it last night. Grabe yung iyak ko. Parang nag-resurface lang lahat yung... Actually, hindi siya painting. Nag-resurface lahat sa akin yung journey. It was not that hard. And I know for a fact that you guys, Filipinos around the world, are very resilient. And I'm not just saying that only Filipinos are resilient. We have friends who are foreigners. So, sobrang sarap talaga. Just know the fact that we are able to surpass every challenge. Makayaman lang talaga yung I love you. Makayaman mo. But, I may not be in the deepest pocket here. I have the deepest heart and full of love.
Woo! We love you!
So, yeah, I want to say, watch my episode. And then, Star Magic ABS-CBN is very pleased to invite me to sing the new version of Maalala Mo Kaya. So,
Oh! Congratulations!
now, speaking of OPM, I have an OPM song. This also talks about love. Kung sino yung minamahal niyo, dapat yun lang.
Oh!
Huwag tayong lumingon sa iba.
Pasiplat lang.
Tinanong ko lang kayo. This is a classic
Seryoso
OPM
si Kuya.
song, and I hope you will love this song. So if you know the song, please sing.
Uy.
Umasa ka, makikita ko.
Woohoo! Galing.
Kahit na
Oh, Gary V.
umabot ako nasa langit. Di ka makita, makikiusap kay Wadhana na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin. Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.
Yes!
Wow, sarap magmahal. Wow. So if you can see me, it's very weird that I'm wearing this oversized. Alam mo, kailangan ko kasing maging bata. To those of you who don't know, I'm 30 years old. So I feel like I'm old enough for these kinds of things. And promise, every time I go on stage, like these girls, I really am excited like, oh, may mga Gen Z ba? Kasi kung gusto ko kasi yung mga audience ko like, Marina, mga Oksihina, hindi ba I am very happy that I can see mommy's around and daddy's around. to show that music also is universal, tama? Pero I bet yung mga mami dito, alam nila yung mahiwagan sa lalaki. Diba? So I think it is time to bring on stage one of the greatest icons in the music industry.
Yeah, Joey Al.
And I am talking about the one and only Sir David Pomeranz.
Akala ko Joey Al.
I know.
Oh,
What happened? Oh, I missed it. Oh my goodness.
oh, that's so sweet.
This is iconic.
I know, right?
I'm so honored to be here. When Joey and I were asked to be here, we jumped at it because this man is a real musician. And it's rare, and we need him, yeah? So, it's true. And he's a great guy. And I love his jacket.
Yeah.
So we're gonna sing a song, huh? Okay, here we go. You and me.
Grabe, isipin mo, when I was still in the Philippines, I would sing these songs on my stream, and now I'm here performing him on stage. So ladies and gentlemen, give it up again for the one and only David Pomeranz.